Hey guys, hope you all are doing good and safe. It's been a long time I haven't made any YouTube videos. In fact, I was not well. So in this video, I will talk about my morning routine and side by side I'll give you my life update. But first thing I would like to say, I missed you guys so much. I missed your comments and I genuinely missed making YouTube videos. Anyway, so let's start. Lately, I have been getting up little late around 8 o'clock because I was working so hard and whatever projects were coming to me, I was taking everything, and I think that is the biggest mistake I did. And the another reason I didn't show up because I got a COVID almost 14 to 16 days. I was almost bedridden because this was my first COVID and it hit me really hard. In fact, me and my husband both got COVID and both are extremely sick. I think it was blessing in disguise. Because of too much work, I was not taking rest, I was not listening to my body, but deep down I was extremely tired. I was not getting time for my YouTube, I was not getting time for my hobbies, anything. I was just working, and you guys know how tough photographers' life, because they have to go for outdoors and carry heavy bags, and usually we don't have any time limit. We work for 9-10 hours anyway. So I needed a rest, and because of corona almost 16 days I did nothing. I was just eating good food and taking rest and watching good movies. So yeah, because of this reason I took a break from YouTube, and now I'm here. I'm trying to take less work and trying to manage my both personal and professional life. While shooting this video, I was not feeling well. I was feeling feverish, and that night only I got COVID. But I got to know after 3 days when the fever was not reducing at all. Then I went for test and I got positive. Anyway, so these days what happens, I get up around 8 o'clock and my house looks so messy, so I try to clean it up because I shoot from home. I do product shoot and sometimes I go for outdoor shoot. Here I joined a company. For that I need to go weekly twice or thrice. My husband does dishes before going to office, and after getting up I try to keep it on proper place. When I shot that day, it was Monday, and usually Monday I stay at home and I shoot for one Indian journal brand. I light the agarbatti, then I make some tea or whatever breakfast I want to have. Today I'm just going to make a matcha tea. I bought this from a oriental shop and it is really tasting good with almond milk. I do not have those matcha tea making tools. Recently I was checking on Amazon, but those look so expensive, so I decided to for now go with strainer. Sometimes it is so satisfying to strain it, and visually also it looks so good. The main concept behind doing this is to not to get a lump, but I think strainer works well. Matcha tea has lots of health benefit. First matcha tea I had in 2021. I got from a brand, but that matcha tea taste was little bit different from this one. I liked this one more, and with almond milk it tastes really good. Now I'm preheating the oven at 200 degree Fahrenheit. When I went to barrel, I got 2 pine cones, and those are raw. I just want to bake it and make it ready for product shoot. The first thing in the morning I do is I check my to-do list. Usually I plan my to-do list night before, but today, in fact last few weeks I was not able to do. So at the morning I finish my whole day's to-do list, and I do time blocking also, which helps me to understand what time what to do. This journal is from Neora. Those who have been following me for a long time, they all know that I like Neora's products so much, and this year they sent me lots of journals, and I'm extremely grateful for that. I already made few videos on Neora's product. I will put link in the description box. Please check those videos for more details. Right now my oven is ready. I'll switch it off and place the pine cone inside the oven. Usually it took almost 2 hours to open up. I wanted to record the whole video, but because of battery I couldn't shoot. So I'll just show before and after how it looks. The next thing I do, that is I water my plants. Right now summer is going on and it is extremely hot here in Sydney. Sometimes it is going to 39-41 degree, and because of this heat all my plants are dying. So frequently I have to water my plants. I like this spray bottle. This one I got it from Sydney's plant market. I work there as a content creator, and in fact they send me few plants also so that I can shoot at home. If you check my Instagram, you will see I have shot few videos for them. Once it is done, I'll go for a shoot. Today I'll shoot in the park, which is just next to my house. I shot this video in my mobile because I'm showing how my shooting process is done. I'm holding my camera, that's why I shot this video on my mobile, and the mobile quality is extremely bad, you can see that. I will shoot till 11 or 11:30 because I didn't have breakfast today. I'm planning to do brunch. So yeah, that is my morning routine. Hope you all like this video, and lots of people send me DMs that you guys missed my voice, so I decided to make this video with my voiceover. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.